Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. Today, a short video, I promise 10 minutes only, but some interesting stuffs. First of all, my old trade, and the second thing, my new trade. Watch this is my live stream. What can we see here on the live stream? Yes, we saw a rejection here. We saw a big rejection here of our shoulder, head, shoulder, of our inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. We will speak about this. Let's start this analysis now, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's start with CoinMarketCap. A really quick view on this. You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 3.1%, but in the week, 12%. Ethereum is going down also, the same thing, 3.9%, 3.1%, but a big spike to the downside, 21% in 7 days. The Bitcoin domination, 41.9%. Yes, we are growing. It's the time for Bitcoin. It's better to trade Bitcoin as altcoins. You can see the next big stuff, 43%. This is the red line of our golden cross, death cross. Yes, we are still in a death cross zone, but we are growing and growing with the dominance. For the moment, it's better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. Extreme fear is in the market. We have 20 points here. Yesterday, 23. Last week, 24. And last month, 41 points. Extreme fear in the market. So let's move on to the next stuff. We are going on with this really quick today. I promise you 10 minutes only. And here is Coins 360. What can we see? A bad bearish picture. The most coins are red. Solana is big red. ICP is big red. Atom is big red. Phantom, Link, and so on. Only some coins here are going up a little bit. Matic and Phil is going up. Mana is going up a little bit. But the most coins here are really bad in a red position for the moment. So let's move on to the next thing, and this is TradingView. And TradingView on the day, not good. We have a buy, a neutral, and a sell. No, sorry, we have a sell. We have a sell today. Yesterday we saw unsure. Now we have a sell. The 4 hours, yes, also a sell. Not so good for the moment. The 2 hours are telling us we should throw away our Bitcoin. The 1 hour time frame sell. Only 30 minutes, the short time frames, and 15 minutes, they are telling us, yes, we are going up, but the bigger time frames are telling us, attention, we may go down more and more. These are telling us the TradingView indicators. Now, let's go into this picture. This is a 4 hour time frame. What can we see? Yes, the Fibonacci retracement, yes, we can see it. And what can we see? I see here a really beautiful next pattern, guys. 4 hour time frame. Let me show you. This is an arc, and guys, you know it. If you're watching my videos, you know what it is for the moment. You can see it. It is a handle here, what we are making to the downside for the moment, a handle from here to here, and this is a cup and handle on the 4 hour time frame. And maybe we see a nice breakout of this to the upside. Where is the target to the upside? Really easy, guys, you know it. We can make a line from the downside to the upside to the trend line, and this end point is our target. We break out here for the moment. Maybe it could be that we are breaking out, attention, and maybe we see a target for the 2,700 to the upside. Next point what we need to watch is the Fibonacci 0.236. 41,450 is the next thing to watch. And guys, if we can break out more and more, look at this, it was the highest point, it's the most important point for the moment, 43,500. If we can go up here more and more, not impossible. So this is the big thing what I'm watching now. Maybe this a cup and handle breakout to the upside, and the targets 41, 42, 700 and 43, 500. Maybe we are going up here, and maybe we are watching this confirmed closing candle now for a breakout. We need to watch it a little bit longer. It's too early, but yes, maybe this would be the next nice trade. What's going on with my old trade? I promised you to keep you updated with my trade. So let me show you. What was my position? Here on the 50-minute time frame, I told you since days I bought 30,030. It was my bottom hunting. It was a perfect trade to the upside. It was a nice price to the upside, and my stop loss, I put it higher and higher and higher. And the last thing what you can remember was my stop loss under 36,990. Why it was this one? I told you guys we are making a nice parallel channel to the upside. As long as we are in this channel, everything is okay. If we will go down here a little bit with a spike, I'm sure with my stop loss here. So this was a 12% trade. What happened yesterday? I put my stop loss a little bit higher to the next point. This was this point, 37,500. After this, I went out, and what happened here in the night? We saw a breakdown to the downside. So my stop loss here sold me out of this trade, and it was 37,500 here, a little bit under 37,500. And I made a really nice trade. I can show you the trade was here from the downside to the upside about 13%, 13.4%. Really nice. I'm really happy with this one. It was a good game here to the upside. Now the big thing is what's going on. The next nice thing, and I missed it, okay, was this downgoing price. I'm never shorting Bitcoin, guys. I told you this, but we saw a nice spike to the downside, a dump to the downside, 35,500. This was a good buy position, but I missed it. I missed this buy position, and I have to say, okay, yes, I have to say it was not sure for me that we see here a spike to 33,000 again. It was not sure for me that we see a spike to 35,500. I missed this long position. Okay, I do not have to make every long position here, but okay, I missed it. We have now a nice little parallel channel to the upside, and the big question, in my opinion, is now, is this now the breakout of this handle? I will watch this. I will make maybe the next long position. I can show you this one because we have for the moment on the 50-minute time frame and on the 1 hour time frame a confirmed breakout if this is a handle. Maybe we will see the next nice move up to 43,000. Okay, this would be nice. And if this will work, I will set a long position here. I will show you here the perfect start of the long position, in my opinion. Yes, it was 35,000, but I missed it. And I'm waiting now if we can make a higher high. For the moment, we are going sideways a little bit, and that's the big thing. I will like to see a higher high. This would be a start, in my opinion, for a breakout. So let me check. Here is this line. This is our resistance line for the moment, and if we can break out over 36,780, let me tell it, 36,800, I will make maybe the next long position. It's not the best thing to make a long position on the upside. I hate it, but okay, I missed the downside, so I have to make it on the upside. And if we can grow up from here, maybe we will see 41,400 and then the next targets to the upside. This is my big next play, what I'm playing. And I'm setting a stop loss under my entry, so I think I'm safe. Nothing can happen, maybe a little minus. Let us check first of all this one. This is the RSI and the 50-minute time frame. What's the big thing for the moment? This is this one. We are here really high with the RSI. This is not so nice. We have here a next bad resistance on the 50-minute time frame. So attention, guys. We may see a next spike to the upside, and after this, a big move to the downside. We need to watch it. Also, we need to watch the 1 hour time frame. This one, we have some space to the upside. So maybe we can see on the 1 hour time frame a nice jump to the upside, a nice breakout of this handle. We are here really nice over the support, and we have a long way up to the resistance. What's going on the 4 hour time frame? The 4 hour time frame is this our support line, not so important, but we saw here a bad rejection. We saw here a first try, the second try, and here the third try, and we went down. We need a breakout on the 4 hour time frame now, and we need to stay over this nice support line. If you're watching the RSI, that's really important. So watch the cup and handle, watch the RSI, and yes, that's the really big stuff. So let's remove all this stuff, let's remove all these drawings, and let me show you a next big thing what I'm watching for, and this is the Ichimoku cloud on the 4 hour time frame. Why, Biti? I can show you. We are fighting between the red line and the blue line. If we can see a nice breakout over the blue line, the 9 lengths Ichimoku 37,200, this would be a nice pump to the upside, in my opinion. If we will see breaking down the red line 35,900, let me tell it 36,000, this would be really bad. So we need to stay over 36,000. That's important. On the day, we have 2 targets. Yes, first of all, the blue line, the 9 lengths, and the second one, the 26 lengths of the Ichimoku. These are our big targets to the upside. So this is the Ichimoku, and now before we end this video, let me show you the golden cross death cross. On the day, not so important, but the 4 hour time frame. We saw yesterday the fight up to the green line. We lost the fight, 38,000, bam, down again. Now maybe the next try, maybe the next fight with the green line, and that's a big hope for me for the cup and handle, 37,500, breaking out to the upside. And yes, come on, moon, we will come. Okay, it's not so bullish for the moment, but okay. On the 1 hour time frame, we lost everything. We lost the red one, we lost the green one. Now we need to fight back 37,000 and we need to fight back 37,600. And guys, yes, we are in a death cross zone, but look at this. Maybe we can get closer and closer with the green one and the red one, and maybe we can see here the next golden cross. This would be maybe the start of the next little pump to the upside. Watch this. Guys, I hope you have a really nice virus program here, because I have a corona test, a positive for today. So I hope your virus program is working and corona will stay here at me and not to you. Everything is fine. I'm healthy. Everything is okay. But a little bit heartache and my voice is not so good, but it's not the biggest thing. And guys, remember, watch the inverse shoulder here to the downside. But now we are making a bigger shoulder, a nicer shoulder, and maybe we can break out this inverse shoulder head, double shoulder, or mini and bigger shoulder, something like this. So you need now, in my opinion, everything you need to know, guys. I wish you the best luck of the world. I wish you will make millions. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short, guys. Biti is wishing you to make millions. Have a nice time. Yours, Biti.